sunset so late tonight, I wonder if you saw it too. I wish I still had someone to lose, but all I got is summertime blues. There's a green-eyed, dark-haired beauty on some beach by Monterey, letting waves wash her pain away that I never know. There's some boys out in Okie that are praying to get the job done, holding head, fighting off the sun, but I'll never know. Summertime blues, I've got nothing left to prove. Mind a touch and out of tune, singing alone to the birds up high and the souls below. All these boys ain't got no home, beautiful girls I'd never hold. This one's for you, my summertime blues, my summertime blues. Turns to reverie as the sun burns away the spring, and the coastlines start to sing with the young and heartless. Hilton Head and the Hamptons, where the rich go to die, and the young kids all get high just to pass the time. Bought a lot of best burden, a beat down boy goodbye. I'm gonna bury my soul in summertime passing me by. Summertime blues, got nothing left to prove. Out of touch and out of time, singing alone to the birds up high and the souls below. All these boys ain't got no home, beautiful girls I'll never hold. This one's for you, my summertime blues, my summertime blues. The sunset so late tonight, I wonder if you saw it too. I wish I still had someone to lose, but I got these summertime blues. Well, hi there pluckers, I've a Sore Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. It's a new song from Bryan, for all you Bryan fans out there, called Summertime Blues. Okay, so let's get to it. So I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the first fret, put in the same key as Bryan seems to be playing it in. Okay, so let's get to it. So the introduction, starting off with the C chord. Now there are two guitars playing this, so I've simplified it somewhat for a single acoustic. Okay, so all I'm doing is a C chord. Then what I'm doing is I'm playing the third string and hammering up to the second fret on the third string, the G string. Right, so and then hitting that, so first on the second, open third, hammer up to the second on the third, first on the second, and then I'm going to an F chord, and then back to the C. Okay, so it's, and then you just repeat that again, F to C with that little hammer. Okay, so far. And I do that little hammer again. This time I go to a G. That's what I'm doing for an intro, simplified, because they say it's played by two guitars, so have to make the best of a bad deal. Okay, on the single. Okay, so here we go. Slowly again. You'll notice you can play a simple F. I'm tending most of the time probably to play what I call a four-fingered F. It's an simple F chord with the third finger up to the fifth string on the third fret, pinky taking over on the fourth string on the third fret. Okay, by all means just play a simple F if you want to. It's just I have a habit of playing a four-fingered F. Okay, you could play a bar chord if you wanted to, but okay, it's up to you. Okay, so once again, simple introduction. Now we're into the verse, and it's basically the same chords if you just played, okay, C, F and G, okay, so the sun sets too late tonight, I wonder if you saw it too, there's no one to lose but another. So it's exactly the same as the intro, it's C to F, C to F, C to G. Okay, so sun sets too late tonight, I wonder if you saw it too. Back to F, and I still have someone to see through G. Then your second verse is exactly the same, but there's a green night, dark beauty on some beach in Monterey, letting waves wash your pain away that I'll never know. Again, the third verse exactly the same, but there's some boys out in Oakie and they're praying to get the job done, holding hands and off the sun, but you never know. Okay, then we're coming into the pre-chorus, if you want to call it pre-chorus. Summertime blues goes down to F. Blues, summertime, C, blues. I got G. Nothing left to A minor, prove I'm out of F, touch and out of C, touch, singing alone is G. That's the first half, and then basically you repeat it all. So from the beginning of the pre-chorus, summertime, F, blues, summertime, C, blues, I got G, nothing left to A minor, prove I'm out of F, touch and out of C, turn, singing a G, alone. And just repeat again. So the birds up F, high, and the souls be C, low. All the G, boys will get low, A minor, home. Beautiful F, girls will never see. Oh, this one's for G, you. Okay? So as you go through this pre-chorus again, so coming out, I'll do the third verse for you, okay? But there's some boys out in Oakie that are praying to get the job done, holding hands, fighting off the sun, but I'll never know. Right, here we go. Summertime blues, got nothing left to prove, out of touch and out of tune, singing alone. To the birds up high, souls below, all the boys that wake up home, beautiful girls I'll never hold, this one's for you. Okay, now we go into what we probably call the chorus. Summertime, and then you basically play the same chords again that you did for the pre-chorus, okay? The summertime blues, F to C, G, A minor, our summertime, and he comes in with our summertime blues again, F, C, G. Okay, goes my summertime blues. My summertime blues. Goes F to C, G to A minor, F to C to G. Okay, it's exactly the same as the pre-chorus. Okay, summertime blues. My summertime blues. Then he does an instrumental verse, just strumming, okay? C, F, back to C, back to F, C, G. Another verse, with exactly the same chords again. fire turns to reverie as the sun burns away the spring, and the coastline starts to sing, the young and heartless. Another verse coming up. Hilton Head and the Hamptons, where the rich go to die, and the young kids all get high just to pass the time. Another verse. Bought a bottle of this bourbon, a beat down boy goodbye. I'm gonna bury all my sorrows, the summertime passes by. And then a quick G to C on that, and summertime passes C by. Summertime, and then the chorus, the pre-chorus again. Summertime blues, summertime blues, got nothing left to prove. Gonna touch another tune, singing alone to the birds of high and souls below. All these boys ain't got no home, beautiful girls I never hold. This one's for you. And the chorus again. The summertime blues, my summertime blues. Now an instrumental verse. Now this is a verse with just a chord single strum, okay? Sun sets so late tonight, F, C to F, F, sorry back to C, F, and I still had someone C, blues, but now G, I've got this summertime C, blues. Exactly the same as normal, but you're just singing, doing single strums rather than strumming, okay? The sun sets so late tonight, C, F, I wonder if you saw it, back to C, back to F, I still have someone to SC, but I've got, and then G, all I got is the summertime C, blues. And there you have it, boys and girls. One of the new ones from Zach Bryan called Summertime Blues. Hope that made sense to you and hope you enjoy playing it. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.